Can we weave our baskets? The fishermen come back from the sea. Walk away. Oh, I'm resting on the ground now. Our people will need a chief and pay. There comes a day when you go and look around and realize happiness is where you are. Consider the coconut, consider its trees. Each part of the coconut, it's all we need.